Okay, so hi everyone. Let me get started in like a couple of minutes till everyone settles down and everyone comes come on this page and on this platform and they can have a conversation. So uh, I want everyone to come simultaneously. Otherwise, I'll have to say separate highs to everyone. Okay, so I guess I'm good to go. Hello everyone. Hi. Namaskar. Uh, Assalamu alaikum. Sorry, I messed it up. My bad. Salam alaikum. There I go. Yes, I'm here and I'm back very soon, as promised, because I said that I'll be back very soon on Insta Live, and here I am. And I hope everyone's doing good, everyone's doing well, and yeah, I hope everyone's keeping good with their health and also your family and loved ones, because that's your priority. It's been your priority since last couple of months, and it's been a tough time for the country overall, and we've faced some really hardships uh, regarding our loved ones or health issues or health conditions. But yet, uh, I have tried my best to spread happiness and spread love and spread laughter in somewhat, in some way or the other. And I hope it has reached out to you people. And well, let's get it started. Let's get this live started. So yeah, please put forward any questions that you want to ask me, and I will be happy and I'll be glad to answer like customer care. I will answer. Yes, I will try my best actually. And apart from that, any sort of request that you have or anything or any questions that obviously doubts and all queries, please go forward. I'll be happy to answer, like I said. And I hope everyone's doing good back in India. And I shall be seeing Mumbai, India very soon in a couple of days, mostly. Yes, fingers crossed if flights are on time. Okay, my first question is, how has your trip been? Sahani Myra asked me this. So, to answer this question, how was my trip? It was fabulous. It was amazing. I had some really great memories. And 2 months I've spent actually 2 months it's been for me over here, and I have met a lot of people, made new friends too, and went to a lot of places, be it Texas, be it Michigan. I, in fact, explored Michigan a lot this time. And I went to New York and New Jersey, a lot many places, a lot of food. I loved the food, and I experimented with most of the cuisines that I could, and I love the food. And like everyone knows by now that I'm a big time foodie, so I kind of enjoyed my food, and also I kept health in mind. I didn't go out all out eating junk all over, so that is something that I couldn't. But yes, I made sure that I kept myself fit and in shape. I kept working out also to burn all those calories, and I'm sure that you guys were loving all the food posts that I was posting on my stories. Well, that's a treat to watch, and I'm sure you guys must be hating me for that. So I'm really sorry for that. And yes, the food was really tempting. It was great. It was mouth watering, and it was worth it. So yeah, there goes the answer. Okay, what else? Darshan Ghar Aja. Yes, Darshan, I'm coming in a day or so, and I'll be coming to Pune also. So I'll see you over there in Pune. I hope everything's good at your end, and jaldi mulaqat karte hain. Experience in Six Flags adventure. Well, I had a great time at Six Flags, and I was with Sarthak, and he's always a great company, and I enjoyed thoroughly. I was in fact sitting on the first row on every ride. and thankfully it was empty because it was a Monday for me, so the crowd wasn't there, so it was all just us. And sometimes we actually repeated. We went twice on one particular ride. I loved it, and I loved the thrill. I loved the adventure, and it was kind of breathtaking and thrilling experience for me. But yeah, I always enjoy adventure roller coaster rides. Upasna, are you shooting for any shoot right now? Well, I am in US currently. I wasn't shooting. I'm on a vacation, but yes, I will be going back, and hopefully my shoot starts soon. Like I said, I have a web show uh, to start with, and I have some couple of music videos also to shoot. So yeah. What else? Uh, okay, let me see. Mm, tell us your bonding with Amna Sharif. Well, I'm actually missing her, in fact, and it's been it's quite some time that I haven't seen her, and even Amit for that matter. And I miss the entire bonding and the fun that we have. So definitely, I will catch up with them, and they're like my guardians over there. In fact, I look after them, and they look after me, and I mean, I don't look after them because obviously to this Amna will actually say something, but yeah, they are like very close to me. So yeah. What's my favorite song? Well, currently I've been listening to one particular song, I Like Me Better by Love. So if you've heard this, it's great, but I love the song. I love the feel of it. I feel like being in love again all over. So it's a very romantic song, and it says it. I like me better when I'm with you. So yeah, if you could just listen to it, I'm sure you like it. Amna is asking, are you getting my cheesecake? Well, of course, Amna, I'll get your cheesecake if the cheesecake survives uh, for more than 24 hours. If you're willing to eat that, sure, I'll get it. Sakshi is asking me any girlfriend. Well, I have lots of girlfriends, and I have like I think 10 or 12 or 15. I forget the count sometimes, but yeah, I think I'll take a while to just get back to you on that answer. Just kidding. No, I'm just happy. Thank you everyone. Okay, any sort of any questions that you want to ask or something? Secret of glow. Well, I think it's the US and maybe the lighting, and yeah, the US. Yeah, and the weather over there, it's so pleasant and it's so nice. And of course, like I said, I've been looking after myself, my health, and I've been working out as well regularly. So yeah, I'm looking after myself very well. Unlike India, because where we are actually caught up with a lot of work, a lot of shoots back to back, so don't have time to look after ourselves. So I sleep over here on time. I wake up on time. I eat properly. I eat healthy. Yeah. What else? Hi, Kashish. Okay. I think I'll start taking your names because that's what I've been reading out. Please take my name. Please take my name. Okay. Let's see. Please take my name. Parnika Gupta. There you go. I took a name. Okay. Okay. What about Kaisiye Yaria season 4? Now I have a valid answer, and I guess even you guys will agree to that. Well, let's just say you guys have been asking me these questions since quite some time, since I think 2 years. Kesi Arya season 4, when is it coming? Is it coming? We want to watch, and we would love to see it. etc., etc. I'm sure it has been a great show, and it has done tremendous amount of good work for all of us, all the actors on the show, and I totally am proud of the show that I did. Uh, but to answer your question, when is the season 4 coming? Well, I just want to say that I spoke to my couple of writers who were the part of the show, who were a part of the show, and in fact they also said that um season 4 we looks very dicey or looks very difficult because uh, we have shown everything in still